Hi all my patrons, thank you for tuning in. Good to see you here. I hope all of you are staying well and healthy. Thank you very much for your continued support, and I wish you all happy holidays despite of all these weird restrictions from COVID. So one of the patrons asked about which websites would be good to get sheet music for beginner violinists, and if I have any specific suggestions or how one could go about it. Very good question. There are a lot of informations out there, and sometimes we don't know where to start. So I have two sites that I visit a lot for my students and for myself too, which are especially for beginners. One is 8notes.com. I will try to write the names in the description box, or as part, I will do it as a part of the title, sorry. And then also another website which I'm gonna use it today is Music Making Fun, or Making Music Fun, sorry. makingmusicfun.net. I will also try to write it. If it doesn't fit in the title, I'll try to write it somewhere, don't worry, so that you can visit it. So now once you go there, you would click violin, sheet music, and then click violin. Sometimes they let you choose one instrument or duets, two instruments, or multiple instruments, and so on. But stick to just violin alone. And both 8notes.com and then makingmusicfun.net, they have a lot of good music. However, I find makingmusicfun.net is a little friendlier for violin player, especially for beginner violinists, because they have a larger print first for the sheet music, and they have a separate part, piano part for piano companies and a violin part for violin player. But whereas 8notes.com, they tend to put all together, which we call a score for both instruments, which is doable, but not as friendly as you have your own part, your own music. So makingmusicfun.net, that's another reason why I prefer. And they have also nice tunes, and they start with the easier tunes. One of that I use a lot is Ode to Joy in the key of D major, which we have F sharp and C sharp. So F sharp is here, D, E, and F sharp. C sharp is on the A string, second finger, A, B, C sharp. When you see the music, you're gonna first see the first couple of pages for the piano accompaniment, but near the end, you are gonna see the violin part. And then Ode to Joy is often one of the first tune, if not the very first tune that I teach my students, so would be. I'm sure you've heard this tune. And then now another tune that you could try, especially this is the Christmas season, there's a Jingle Bell Boogie. So it shows the same key of F, it has F sharp, same thing here, and then C sharp, but then it shows a different kind of rhythm, different kind of length of note. And this goes like this. Played it as a boogie, but also I call it rhythm of swing, which is when you play when you see two eighth notes, we're not playing each note equally long, but the first one gets a little longer than the second one, like this. Instead of playing same way. Now there, maybe I will show another part that's a little clearer, which is it. As you know, that's the original one. The swing version would be. Did you hear long, short? Again? Long. Yeah, long, short. You can do down or up bow. Yeah? So if you want to practice that kind of swing rhythm, you can simply use short bow, just different bow speed, slow bow speed for the long one, fast bow speed for the short bow. And so on. Yeah, to have fun. Let me know if this was helpful. I wish you all happy holidays and stay well and healthy. I hope still you can get to see your families either via Skype or Zoom, or somehow spend some time with them, with your loved ones. I wish you all a wonderful time. Stay well and hope to see you. Bye-bye.